Bank holiday Monday 2026. The weather is beautiful, is sizzling hot, and we are going to the Coppers Hill to watch cheese rolling. Take a look at this video and I'll show you what I experienced. We took a main road towards Stroud and just followed the crowd up the hill. The whole journey took us about 30 minutes. It's 2.5 to 3 kilometers altogether. Hundreds of people just went up the hill to watch it. This hill was quite steep and required quite a lot of force. We made it and the views were absolutely beautiful. At this point we followed the crowd as we wanted to get as near as possible. Then we've realized that actually it doesn't make any sense as it was heaving and we wouldn't be able to find a spot to see anything. So we returned and found the spot on the field below. And everything has started. 12 o'clock as planned. Although we didn't see who won, I'm sure we will be able to watch the footage from the local media, which is going to be good as well. The general atmosphere was amazing and I absolutely loved being there. Great experience for the first time going. The only thing I would do differently next time would be to take a bus and walk rather than driving because parking is a nightmare, and I would come much earlier if I wanted to secure the spot on the hill. Probably I would say even 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. Other than that, I enjoyed the day, everything was fantastic, the atmosphere was good, and hopefully see you all next year. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my new channel. See you in the next video.